The son of Norway's crown princess Mette-Marit has been arrested again on a fresh set of serious charges including alleged knife threats. Marius Borg Høiby, aged 28, was taken into custody by Oslo police just one day before he was due to stand trial for rape. The new accusations come at the worst possible moment, as the 6-week rape trial was scheduled to begin this week. According to official police statements, the latest arrest relates to threats made with a knife against another person. Investigators have not yet released the identity of the alleged victim or the exact circumstances surrounding the reported knife incident. Norwegian media report that the threats are believed to have occurred relatively recently and were serious enough to warrant immediate detention. Marius Borg Høiby already faces multiple criminal allegations in what has become one of the most high-profile cases involving royalty. The upcoming rape trial centers on an incident alleged to have taken place in August 2024 at an apartment in Oslo's Frogner district. The complainant, a woman in her 20s, claims she was sexually assaulted while intoxicated and unable to give proper consent. Prosecutors have charged Høiby with rape under Section 291 of the Norwegian Penal Code, which carries a maximum penalty of 10 years. In addition to the rape charge, he faces 2 further counts of inflicting bodily harm and 1 count of criminal damage. These additional allegations stem from complaints made by 2 former girlfriends who say he was violent toward them. Police have described the pattern of behavior as concerning and say the evidence includes medical reports and witness statements. Høiby has admitted to some of the lesser charges, but continues to deny the rape accusation categorically. His defense team has argued that the sexual encounter was consensual, and that inconsistencies in the complainant's account raise doubts. The timing of this latest arrest has stunned legal observers, because it comes on the very eve of the long-awaited rape trial. Court officials confirmed that the trial will still begin as planned, but the new charges may lead to a separate or combined proceeding. Marius Borg Høiby is the eldest son of Crown Princess Mette-Marit from her relationship with Morten Borg before she married Crown Prince Haakon. Although he carries no royal title and lives as a private citizen, his legal troubles have repeatedly dragged the royal family into headlines. The Crown Princess and Prince Haakon have faced intense scrutiny while trying to maintain a dignified distance from their sons' cases. In a brief palace statement, the royal household said it would not comment on ongoing criminal proceedings. They emphasized that Marius is an adult responsible for his own actions, and that the family respects the independence of the judicial system. Norwegian society has watched the unfolding drama with mixed emotions. Many people express sympathy for Mette-Marit, who has always spoken openly about her difficult early years and her efforts to be a good mother. Others believe the repeated scandals have damaged the monarchy's image at a time when the institution is already preparing for transition. King Harald V, now 88, has been in declining health for several years, and there is growing discussion about when Haakon might ascend the throne. Any prolonged negative publicity surrounding the Crown Princess's son could complicate that sensitive moment of generational change. Marius Borg Høiby has largely stayed out of the public eye since stepping back from royal engagements in 2017. He has worked as a mechanic and tried to build a normal life, away from the cameras and expectations that come with royalty. Yet his personal struggles with drugs, alcohol and relationships have repeatedly pulled him back into the spotlight. In 2018, he was investigated for alleged assault against a former girlfriend, but the case was eventually dropped due to insufficient evidence. The current charges are far more serious and carry real prison risk. If convicted of rape, Marius Borg Høiby could face several years behind bars, which would mark the first imprisonment of a close royal relative in modern Norwegian history. Legal analysts say the prosecution's case appears strong because it includes forensic evidence, text messages and witness testimony. The defense, on the other hand, will likely focus on reasonable doubt and question the reliability of the complainant's recollection. The trial is expected to last 6 weeks and will be held in Oslo District Court under heavy media coverage. Journalists have already been briefed on strict rules to protect the complainant's identity and ensure a fair process. The new knife threat charge may be heard separately or joined to the existing indictment depending on court scheduling. Police have placed Høiby in pre-trial detention for 4 weeks, with the possibility of extension if further investigation is needed. His lawyer has protested the detention, calling it disproportionate, and says his client denies making any threats with a knife. The arrest has intensified pressure on the royal family to clarify their relationship with Marius during this difficult period. Crown Prince Haakon and Crown Princess Mette-Marit have kept a low profile in recent months. They have cancelled several public engagements, citing the need to focus on family matters. Mette-Marit has long been admired for her openness about her own past struggles with substance abuse and bulimia. She has spoken candidly about how difficult it was to raise Marius as a single mother before marrying Haakon. Many Norwegians feel protective of her and hope she can be shielded from further pain caused by her son's actions. At the same time, there is growing frustration that the royal household has not been more proactive in addressing the repeated scandals involving Marius. Some commentators argue that the palace should issue a clearer statement separating the institution from his behavior. Others believe the family deserves privacy and that Marius should be treated like any other citizen. The Norwegian monarchy enjoys high public support, with approval ratings consistently above 70%. However, prolonged legal drama involving a close family member could gradually erode that goodwill if not handled carefully. King Harald V and Queen Sonja have remained silent, following their usual practice in private family matters. The royal court has emphasized that the king continues to follow developments with great concern. Meanwhile, the rape trial will proceed under intense scrutiny, with daily media updates expected throughout February and March. Witnesses, including medical personnel and friends of both the complainant and the accused, will take the stand. Experts predict the case will hinge on issues of consent, intoxication and the reliability of memory under the influence. For Mette-Marit, the coming weeks will be emotionally draining, as she tries to support her son while protecting her own well-being. She has spoken in the past about the importance of boundaries and the need to balance love with personal accountability. Whether she attends any part of the trial remains unknown. The palace has not released any information about her planned presence in the courtroom. What is certain is that the latest arrest has added another painful layer to an already difficult situation. The Norwegian public continues to watch with a mixture of sympathy, concern and growing weariness as the saga unfolds. For the royal family, the challenge is clear: to maintain dignity and unity while the legal process runs its course. The coming trial will test not only Marius Borg Høiby, but also the resilience of the monarchy he was born in.